Hey Aries, how's it going? So this is Monica back from Soul 78, and I'm going to go ahead and jump right into your love reading. This is going to be a side-by-side of both you and your person. How you guys are feeling, what's the current lesson, what's going to happen for the month of October 2021, and then we'll see, we'll go on the zodiac and see who you're dealing with. Alrighty, so this is going to be for the person that Aries is dealing with first. So for Aries' love interest, please, how do they feel about the relationship? So we got the card Lightning, and your card says sudden change, shocking news, surprise, epiphany, upheaval, or transformation. This for me reminds me so much of the Tower card in the tarot. That's how that's what I see when I see that card. So there might be something, you might be bringing on some sort of shock. You might be confessing some sort of feeling to your person that just stuns them, or they might be having some kind of realization about how they feel or what they want within the relationship. But something's going to change. It's going to change fast. It's just going to be all of a sudden out of nowhere on your person's end. Okay, for Aries, please, Spirit. What's the card for Aries? How do they feel? Ouch. Alright, Aries, we got the card Not Enough. It says not enough. Frustrated in the relationship, lack of confidence, self-sabotage, fear, ego issues, and jealousy. Okay, so you might have some sort of things going on with you, Aries. Not all of you. This is not going to resonate with everybody, by the way. It's just a general love reading for the month of October for Aries and their person. What I'm feeling is you might have some sort of issues from the past, and you might not even realize it, but you might actually self-sabotage relationships because you may have been hurt in the past, or you feel unworthy because of what's happened to you before, or you might feel this person you might be left feeling like this if this person just ups and decides to end it, because that card can also be about endings that just come out of nowhere. Okay, you might just up and end it, just sabotage everything, and just walk away from this relationship. Let me find out what the issues are for each of you, okay? What Spirit wants you guys to work on for October 2021. Okay, so for your person got the card Imagination. Imagination. That's what my baby says it. She's too cute. Alright, Imagination. I embrace and nourish the creative aspect of my mind. I'm hearing the word illusion or disillusion as well. I'm getting like the Seven of Cups energy from that card. Like a card of confusion, a card of not being able to make a firm decision because they're just confused. They might have a lot of different choices. So Spirit's wanting them to get focused. In order to make a firm decision on what they want out of a relationship or out of this relationship. Okay, your card says worry. I am learning that worry doesn't change an outcome. So for you, Aries, you might feel like something's coming on or something's up. And you might just get this news of whatever decision your person is making just out of the blue, out of nowhere, with the card that they got. Something's going to be very surprising, very shocking, maybe for both of you. Okay, those are the feelings and the what Spirit wants you guys to work on, the lessons for October. Now let's go ahead and get into it and find out, you know what? Let's go ahead and do who you're dealing with first. And then we'll get into your reading, your tarot. Alright, let me shuffle these up real quick. I shuffled them really well earlier. But, during the pre-shuffle. Man down, man down. Alright, but I'm going to shuffle them a couple more times here. And I'm going to go down the whole zodiac, okay? Alright, for Aries, the person that they are dealing with, please, in love. Whoever's on their heart tonight. Alright, Aries dealing with an Aries. Oh, okay. So they have an offer. It might be a small offer. This is a loyal one, though, nonetheless, okay? If you're dealing with another Aries. If you are dealing with a Taurus. Taurus is keeping secrets with the High Priestess. If you're dealing with a Gemini, Gemini has lost their spark for the relationship. Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer. We have the Page of Swords in the reverse. So Cancer may be not speaking to you, or they may have recently, they're lying about their emotions. There's miscommunication here, and your person is not being forthright. They're lying about something, okay? So we have Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo. So Leo wants a solid commitment. They want a partnership, a relationship. Let's go ahead and do now who's next. Leo, Virgo. So we have the Chariot. That's a card about success. They want to move forward with you. Those of you dealing with the Virgo. Those of you dealing with the Libra. Libra wants romance. They want to pour their heart out to you. They want it reciprocated. So we just did Libra, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio. Scorpio may not be... Scorpio's being very stubborn right now. They're being selfish, and Scorpio wants it their way or the highway. Those of you dealing with the Sagittarius. Sagittarius is unclear right now what they want, and they're feeling really unhappy at the moment. Those of you dealing with the Capricorn. Capricorn could possibly have you in a third party. They, with this Three of Cups in the reverse. It can also mean unhappiness, or it's not a time to be celebrated because of some sort of loss. You decide. But if not, then they're in a third party for sure, or they recently were. Those of you dealing with an Aquarius. Aquarius feels something is not fair. Aquarius is out. They're done. Those of you dealing with the Pisces. Pisces is still delivering. Pisces don't know what they want. Let me make sure it's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Okay. So we got those out of the way. Alright, Aries. Excuse me. Most of those cards are really good. Let's go ahead and go now and jump over to the tarot and find out what's coming up for this month for you guys, okay? Let's see what it looks like. And then I'm going to follow up with some advice from the Romance Angels. Okay. So, for my Aries and their partners, please, for the month of October, what does it look like? Okay. We got the Elemental of Wands, which would be the Page of Wands. So that's really good news coming in. We got the Novice of Swords in the reverse, which would be the Queen of Swords in reverse. Oh shit, someone's mad, Aries. That could be you. We have the Nine of Pentacles in the reverse. We have the Novice of Cups in the reverse. Somebody here is in a third-party relationship. That might be the shock that somebody receives. We have the Ace of Swords, the Truth coming out. Or it could also mean a victory, success, or somebody getting cut off. We'll clarify in just a moment. What other messages do we have, please, for my Aries for October 2021? Aries in the person, October 2021. Thank you. Okay, some of these are dealing with a Scorpio or Pisces, possibly both. With the Death card coming out, that's Scorpio energy. And then we have the Hangman in the reverse at the bottom of the deck, which is Pisces energy. Okay, let me see. So on the bottom of the deck, we have the Hangman in reverse. We also have the Lovers card. And I'm just going to keep those two. Alright, so these cards that are on the bottom usually tell me the story of what's happening on top with the top rows. And I notice there's a lot of cards in reverse. Half of them are in reverse. Yeah, they're half and half. Okay, but with the Hangman in the reverse, this could simply mean... So I have Pisces, Gemini now, Scorpio. What else do we have? We have more Pisces. We have your energy, Aries. Excuse me. And then we have some Libra energy here. Okay, so with the Hangman in the reverse, I feel like Yeah, with the Hangman in the reverse and the Lover's card being like this in the upright, I feel like somebody's letting go and walking away from this relationship, where they have decided to just to let go and to give up on it and walk away in the month of October. If you're not feeling any no way, no how about it, then maybe your person is. But remember, this is not going to resonate with everybody, okay? So somebody's just thinking of, and I'm getting this abrupt feeling again, like something is just very sudden. All right, we have the Elemental of Wands, somebody coming in with some kind of news. They have something to say. This could be you, Aries. It is a wand after all. Okay, a fire sign. They're coming in with some sort of news, and it's gonna really piss somebody off. With the Novice of Swords in reverse, that's like the Queen of Swords in the original tarot, or the Rider-Waite tarot, I should say. And when she's in the reverse, she can be pretty angry, spiteful, jealous. She can be hurtful, be very bitter, be a little bit vengeful as well. With the Nine of Pentacles in the reverse, I feel like somebody's gonna also, while losing this relationship, or this relationship closing out a cycle, or going on a break, or breaking up temporarily, whatever it is, it's gonna hurt them financially as well. And I feel like one of you guys just does not know how to be alone. One of you guys does not know how to be by yourself, especially if you're dealing with the Pisces. Pisces has that type of energy, like they can't be alone. Then with the Novice of Cups in the reverse, one of you guys here is going to find out that somebody was unfaithful, because that's a card of unfaithfulness. That is a card of somebody who is untrustworthy, somebody who is not loyal, okay? Sorry about that, that's my dog in the background. With the Ace of Swords coming up here, some kind of truth is going to be spoken. That's what's happening. The truth is going to be spoken, and that's why this relationship is going to end. Here's the Death card here. It may not be permanent, but I do see an ending. Something happens, somebody comes and confesses their truth, and that they're leaving this relationship, possibly for another person. Let me find out why there's so many people here. We have a novice, and an elemental, so a page. Oh shit. Some of you guys, there's an age difference. You might be dealing with people with one or more persons that is older than you, or vice versa. Your person may be dealing with somebody that is older than them. Let me clarify real quick. Let me grab a deck. I'll use my little Alice in Wonderland deck. Alright. Why is the Elemental of Wands here? Show me the Elemental of Wands. So we have fire sign, air sign, water sign. We have no pentacles here. That's what's missing. Something's off balance. Something's unsteady. It's not stable. Why is there 3 people here? Please, I'll just ask that. Whoa. Here's the pentacle finally. This is King of Pentacles. Show me why there's 3 people here, please. We got the King of Pentacles, and he has everything he could desire, want, afford. I'm just noticing how abundant his table looks. And then we have the Ace of Pentacles in the reverse. So this is a false start, or something that possibly never got off the ground. Whoops. And we got the Ace of Wands. We actually have 2 aces, which is really good. You know what? Yeah. So somebody feels like a relationship maybe wasn't going anywhere, or headed in the direction that they wanted to go into, or that things were not going very well. Something was unstable, and it looks like they're starting a new beginning with somebody else. That's what I'm getting here. Show me why the Death card is here, please. Scorpio energy. Show me why the Death card is here. The Sun in reverse. This is Leo in reverse. This is somebody, again, who is unclear. Somebody who's unhappy. Somebody who... Some of you guys have a family and this is breaking up. Show me Death card, please. Show me Scorpio. 9 of Cups. Somebody's being very selfish right now. And here she is, the Queen of Swords again. Queen of Swords in reverse. And she's, yeah, in the same position. Like the Novice of Swords in the reverse. Somebody's going to be very angry to find this out. That they're losing the relationship. It might be you, Aries. Your person might just suddenly hit you with that. That it's over. Show me the Hangman in reverse and the Lovers, please. 1, 2. You guys may have been having a lot of arguments or disagreements, or just not been able to meet eye to eye for some reason. Yeah. This is the relationship. Oh, shit. Okay, so Hangman in reverse and the Lovers is walking away from the relationship to start a new one. And they're going to defend it. 2 of Cups, 7 of Wands, 9 of Wands. Somebody is keeping a secret relationship here. And when it comes out in the open, they're going to defend that other relationship. Yeah, they are. They're going to stand their ground. And they're going to protect it. Okay, so Aries, let me get the advice. A card for you and a card for your person, okay? For Aries person, please, what is the advice in love? For Aries person. Okay. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. And for you, Aries. For Aries, please, in love. October 2021, please. Ooh, shit. Aries, it might be you that finds somebody new. We got new love. And I'm hearing the, I think it's, I'm not sure who sings it. It's an old 90s jam. Searching for new love. New love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. That might be the sudden shock. What just comes out of nowhere for your person with that lightning card coming out. Okay, guys, this is the reading that I have. If you guys like my style of reading, or if the reading resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe, or leave me a comment down in the description box. But the way to best get the whole picture of your situation is to know your placements, and you can get an idea of where they're at and stuff by going to, now I'm at a loss for words, astrologycafe.com, and you'll get your natal chart there for free. You just put in your information. Remember, the time is the most important thing for you to know when you're getting your birth chart. Also, I am available and booking starting, I'm going to open up the second week of October. If anybody needs a reading, go ahead and email me. My information and my prices are listed down below. Alright, guys, don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe button. Good night.